It's 2025 and saving money feels harder than ever. The price of everything, your favorite groceries, even streaming subscriptions, has gone up. It's frustrating to work so hard and still feel like your money disappears the moment you get paid. You're not alone. Many people are struggling to keep up, especially with rising costs and new ways businesses get us to spend. But here's the good news. Saving money in 2025 doesn't have to be about cutting out all the fun stuff. Instead, it's about using smarter, faster, and easier ways to make your money work for you. Forget the old school advice like skip the latte. This video is about fresh ideas, smart tools, and clever strategies to help you save money without feeling like you're sacrificing your lifestyle. Ready to unlock your money-saving potential? Let's dive in. Number 1. Rethink the concept of saving in 2025. Saving money in 2025 isn't about pinching pennies or denying yourself small joys. Instead, it's about making saving automatic, smarter, and a part of your daily life without effort. Today, technology can do most of the heavy lifting for you. For example, there are apps that track your spending in real time and find areas where you can save. These apps don't just budget, they help you optimize. Imagine this. You buy a coffee and the app automatically rounds up the price and puts the spare change into a savings account or even an investment fund. Over time, those tiny savings add up without you even noticing. Another game changer is subscription cleaning services. Many of us pay for streaming platforms, gym memberships, or other subscriptions we don't use. Apps like Rocket Money or Trim Skin Your accounts find what you're wasting money on and cancel and use subscriptions for you. Also, 2025 banks are smarter. Some offer accounts that analyze your spending patterns and recommend how much you can safely save each week. Others invest your spare cash into high-yield accounts or crypto portfolios, giving you better returns without risk. The secret is creating systems that make saving effortless. Set up a weekly reminder with your digital assistant to review your finances. Use tools that work quietly in the background, saving for you while you live your life. In 2025, saving isn't about cutting back, it's about leveling up with technology. Number 2. Adopt a 2025 specific minimalist lifestyle. Minimalism in 2025 isn't just about owning less, it's about spending smarter and living intentionally. With rising costs, adopting a minimalist lifestyle tailored for today's world can save you money and simplify your life. For starters, think about renting instead of buying. Many services now let you rent high-quality furniture, electronics, or even clothes. This way, you avoid big one-time costs and can switch items as your needs change. For example, instead of buying a $1,000 sofa, you can rent one for a fraction of the price each month and return it when you're done. Another trend is digital minimalism, cutting down on the digital clutter that eats away at your budget. Do you really need all those paid apps, newsletters, or software subscriptions? Cancel what you don't use often and stick to free or multi-use tools. Consider shared economies too. Apps for car sharing, tool rentals, or even clothing swaps let you access what you need without owning it. Why buy a new drill when you can rent one for a day at a small cost? One smart hack is the 1-month rule. Before buying something new, wait 30 days. If you don't miss it, you probably didn't need it. Another fun challenge is a no-buy month. Gamify it. Challenge yourself to only spend on essentials for 30 days and put the money you save into your goals. Minimalism in 2025 isn't about sacrifice. It's about making space for what truly matters while keeping your wallet happy. Number 3. Turn your assets into income streams. In 2025, making extra money doesn't mean working harder. It's about using what you already have to generate income. With the right strategies, you can turn unused assets into reliable cash flow. Start with physical spaces. Do you have an empty driveway? Rent it out to delivery trucks or commuters using apps like Spacer. Got an extra room or storage space? Platforms like Neighbor let you rent it out to people needing storage. These options require little effort but bring steady income. Next, think about items you own. Have a camera, tools, or even a bike. Rent them out on apps like Fat Llama or Spinlister. People are happy to pay for temporary access to things they don't want to buy. This way, you earn money from stuff sitting idle. You can also monetize your skills or hobbies. Are you good at something like writing, graphic design, or crafting? Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, or Fiverr allow you to sell your services or digital products. For example, templates for planners or resumes are in high demand, and once created, they keep earning without extra work. A rising trend in 2025 is using AI to assist micro-businesses. For example, people are creating and selling AI-generated art, running small e-commerce stores, or teaching virtual classes using platforms like Teachable. With tools that automate most of the work, earning online has never been easier. The key is to look at what you already have, whether it's space, items, or skills, and ask, can this make me money? With just a little creativity, you can unlock income streams that don't require extra time or investment. It's like finding hidden treasure in your everyday life. Number 4. Hack the 2025 economy for discounts and perks. The economy in 2025 is full of hidden opportunities to save money if you know where to look. From loyalty programs to hyperlocal deals, you can tap into smart hacks to cut costs and enjoy perks without extra effort. Start with loyalty programs. Companies now use blockchain technology to offer better rewards. For example, some programs let you earn points or crypto tokens for everyday purchases. These tokens can be used for discounts, freebies, or even sold for cash. Credit cards are also stepping up, offering cashback on essentials like groceries and gas. A clever trick is paying rent through third-party services that allow you to earn rewards points, turning a major expense into savings. Tap into local deal-sharing apps. Hyperlocal platforms like food-sharing apps or neighborhood marketplaces are booming in 2025. These apps connect you with people nearby selling surplus groceries, home-cooked meals, or gently used items at a discount. It's a win-win. You save money, and someone else avoids waste. Use AI tools to find savings. Apps powered by artificial intelligence can now scan your receipts for price drops and automatically request refunds. Some even compare prices while you shop online, ensuring you always get the best deal. For larger purchases, try negotiating. Many online retailers now offer chatbots with built-in discount codes if you simply ask. You can also use price tracking apps to set alerts for when big-ticket items go on sale. Next, stack your savings. Combine cashback apps, loyalty points, and promo codes for maximum discounts. In 2025, the smartest savers don't just wait for deals, they make the system work for them. With a little effort up front, you can unlock perks and save hundreds every month. Number 5. Adopt AI personal finance management as your secret weapon. In 2025, artificial intelligence, AI, has become your best ally in managing money. AI tools can track your spending, suggest smart ways to save, and even handle tasks like finding refunds or better deals. The best part? These tools work quietly in the background, saving you time and money without extra effort. Start with AI budgeting apps. Tools like Clio, Inab, or the latest ChatGPT financial integrations can analyze your spending and tell you where your money is going. These apps don't just show numbers. They predict your upcoming expenses and suggest where you can cut back. For example, they might alert you when a recurring payment is coming up or recommend switching to a cheaper service.
Save passively with AI.
Some apps now monitor your spending habits and automatically move small amounts into savings accounts when you can afford it. Others track your online purchases and file for refunds if prices drop after you buy. These small but frequent actions can add up to significant savings over time. Use AI for smarter shopping. AI-powered browser extensions compare prices, apply coupon codes, and find cashback offers while you shop online. You no longer need to spend hours hunting for discounts. AI does it for you instantly. Get personalized financial advice. AI tools in 2025 are so advanced they can act like your own financial coach. Whether you want to save for a trip, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund, these tools can create a custom plan and keep you on track. By adopting AI for personal finance, you're not just saving money, you're saving time and avoiding stress. In 2025, let the technology work for you while you focus on what matters most. Number 6. The psychology of saving in 2025. Saving money isn't just about numbers, it's about mindset. In 2025, Understanding the psychology of saving can help you build better habits and stick to them without feeling deprived. One key idea is micro goals. Big savings goals, like save $10,000, can feel overwhelming. Instead, break them into smaller, achievable steps. For example, focus on saving $50 a week. When you reach these small goals, your brain gets a boost of motivation, making it easier to keep going. Another trick is creating savings triggers. Link saving to everyday habits. For instance, every time you make coffee at home instead of buying it, transfer $5 into your savings account. Over time, these small actions turn into powerful habits. Gamifying savings is also popular in 2025. Apps like Streaks or Habitica make saving money feel like playing a game. You can earn rewards or track progress visually, which keeps you engaged and excited. Finally, rethink how you reward yourself. Instead of splurging when you hit a savings milestone, treat yourself with something free or low cost, like a movie night at home or a hike. This reinforces the idea that saving is rewarding, not restrictive. By understanding how your mind works, you can make saving feel easier and even fun in 2025. Saving money in 2025 isn't about working harder or cutting out all the things you enjoy. It's about working smarter. By using technology and finding creative ways to earn and save, you can take control of your finances without feeling overwhelmed. Start small. Use AI tools to track and manage your money automatically. Try renting instead of buying or monetizing items and skills you already have. Turn saving into a fun challenge. Set micro goals, and reward yourself along the way. These steps might seem simple, but they can lead to big changes. The key is to make saving a habit, not a chore. When you build systems that work for you, saving becomes easy, even exciting. In 2025, saving money can be your superpower, and with the right mindset and tools, you'll achieve your financial goals faster than ever. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.